In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight bulbs on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. There's two screws. We're going to take those two screws out. I'm going to use a T25 socket. Take those out. There's two retainers on the side. We're just going to grab the light and just slide it back. It's going to pop out of those retainers. Pull straight back. Disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab here. Just use a screwdriver. Just push that back a little bit. And you can push down on the lock. Just wiggle that out. Comes right out. Down below, another tab. Just push down on the tab and slide that out. Now we're going to take the socket, just twist it to the left, and it slides right out. Grab the bulb, pull that out. Take the new bulb, this is a 3157, lock it in place, line the socket up, and twist it to the right. Now connect the connectors. Lock that down. Take the other connector, line that up. And then push down on that lock. Line the taillight up. Just push it forward. There you go. Put the two screws in, get those lined up. Start those. Tighten those down. Just snug, and you're good to go. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.